Good morning, my dear students. In my previous class, 7th poem in chapter, that is the 7th poem, If I Was a Tree, written by Mudnakodu Chinnaswamy. As you all know that in my previous class, line by line from poem I explained. Today once again I want to recall, as you already understood, and let us repeat once again as an outline theme of this poem. What is happening in our society that we want to express, Chinnaswamy want to express through this poem. If I was a tree, what are the advantages, merit used to have it? As a human being, what are the demerits which is facing in society? That he has given a clear picture in this poem. So, if I was a tree expresses the complex evil caste system in Indian society. Caste system, evil caste system in Indian society. That is what here you want to say. Complex, very difficult to understand. It is a evil to our Indian society. The poet wishes that he would be happy born as a tree instead of a human. So, through this poem he want to say, ನಾನು ಮಾನವನಾಗಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ದುಃಖ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೇ, ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಮರ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಹುಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕೆಳಜಾತಿಯ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಂದರೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ಮರ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪವಿತ್ರತೆಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಎಂಬ ಭಾವನೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್, ಫಾರ್ ಮನ್ಕೈಂಡ್ practices even now this inhuman discrimination based on caste. So, practices so many different type of customs we can see, and those customs is stopping to make it a society to run in equal, it means equality. So, practices even now this inhuman discrimination based on caste. Discrimination, ತಾರತಮ್ಯ, ಜಾತಿಯ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ತಾರತಮ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. We are seeing because of caste how a people, they are discriminated. Still it is there, that you want to say. In contrast, the poet finds recourse with nature, which he thinks does not discriminate against any creature of size, color, gender or habitat. So, we are all what here? Living beings, whatever it may be. ಯಾವುದೇ ಜೀವರಾಶಿಗಳು ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, all living organisms which they are surviving on this earth, they have their own rights. Why can't we are not leading happy life? So what he want to say means, the poet finds recourse which nature which he thinks does not discriminate against any creature of size. Nature is essential for us. Nature is not discriminating. Why we? Human beings, because of caste. What are the evil things we are doing? It may be size, color, gender or habitat. Means people, whichever people they may be. We are discriminating. But nature is what? Going with all creatures which has created on this earth. Chinnaswamy wished to be a tree because unlike a human born into a low caste family, a tree does not face any discrimination or an act of defilement. So here, why you want to be tree means that nature, here you want to be what? Very much wished to be a tree, because unlike the human beings, a person who born in a low caste family, but tree does not face any discrimination. Everybody will come and touch. For that reason, he felt, I will be more happy if I was born as a tree, because there will be no any discrimination. Everyone used to come and what? Sit. Means touch. Tree does not face any discrimination. Act of defilement means any act. Pavitrate. You have taken birth in lower caste family, so you don't have right to sit, come, or rights, equality. All those things will not be there if I was a tree. So like that, you want to express what are the things happening in our society. And even further, you want to say that Chinnaswamy vents out his sufferings, disappointments, angst. See, angst is nothing but here guilty, feeling of guilty. Used to feel guilty. Why it is happening? We are all human beings. Why this? Because of this caste, people, they are not walking together. They are dividing on the base of what? Caste. So that guilty feeling was there in him. And also disappointment. Wherever you go, you used to see that kind of things, and he used to feel very sad. And also suffered, and even that frustration that we can see through his poem. We can see that even he felt frustration, angst means guilty feeling, disappointment and suffering, all that we can see in this poem. So, title he has given, if I was a tree, with lot of freedom, I used to grow and enjoy in this given nature. As a human beings, I have to face so many difficulties. That was his inner question. And in this poem, if I was a tree, he protests against this cruel social system. Even he will protest this cruel system of what here? Caste system in our society. The caste system has troubled fellow humans by separating them and creating barriers for centuries. Barriers. It has come from centuries. Even today, it is there. That he want to say. When the time will come to eradicate, is it going to continue even in future? So, all those ideas which is just running in his mind, he want to tell through by this what? Through this poem. Living in today's world, education empowers us. So, in this 21st century, everybody they are what? Developed and developing. Why this is still remained as it is? That is not a right. So, like that, he goes on questioning for our this what? Readers. The constitution, even he will tells about this what? Constitution forbids anyone from practicing discrimination based on caste. Even in the constitution, it is cleared on base of caste, one should not see in a low level. One should not discriminate. ತಾರತಮ್ಯ ಜಾತಿಯ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಾರದು. That ತಾರತಮ್ಯ, that is there, discrimination. Nevertheless, the complex network of, complex network of politics, bureaucracies and stereotyped mindsets seldom allows us to eradicate it completely because of some network, complex network. Till today it is not eradicating. Complex network, because of that network, what the equality rights one should have, where in our constitution it is clearly written. Why it is not happening? Because of what? Some stereotyped mindset. ಬದಲಾಗದ ಪದ್ಧತಿ ನಿಂದ we are not eradicating. ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Mindsets, that mindset, even though if we are in 21st century, that mind set people, it is not completely, it is not eradicating. The poet wanted to be born a tree, as tree wouldn't be. See, he is very much happy if he was born as a tree, because that if he was a tree, as a tree, wouldn't be asked what caste it belonged before it built its nest. So, there will be no any caste system if he was born as a tree. When the sunlight embraced the tree, the shadow wouldn't feel defiled with lot of freedom. Neither birds nor sunlight. In this nature, given nature, I used to grow happily. But as a human being, what the happening to me? Intolerable. That is the thing you want to say. When the sunlight embraced the tree, the shadow wouldn't feel defiled. Nature would accept without any discrimination. Even nature, see here, never would discriminate. The tree's friendship with the cool breeze and the leaves would be sweet. So, in each it may be sunlight, breeze, birds, everything used to be friendly. No any discrimination. So, that was the thing here poet want to say in this poem. The raindrops wouldn't withdraw, taking him for a dog eater. Dog eater. Even eating, taking food, habit of food, in that also what? Discrimination. So, here downtrodden people, dog eater. So, that is what here. The raindrops wouldn't withdraw, taking him for a what he is taking, that will not be, that drops will not be go back, that enjoying in that what rain. He used to enjoy that beauty of nature, that raindrops used to fall on tree if he was tree. But what the happening in society? Because of what habit, food habit, they are also what here they are discriminating, which is a very bad treatment to a fellow human. The mother earth wouldn't flee shouting for a bath, which the tree spread its branches. So, even that earth never what go away, used to give water, roots used to go deeper and deeper, taking water, growing freely. So, nature used to help in all direction if he was tree. But in society, with lot of what here frustration and also guilty feeling used to be happen to him because of what here system, like that he felt. He ironically says that the sacred means holy cow would scrap her body on the bark of the tree. So, even further one step you want to say that even we will see a symbol of what here, thousands of gods will be there in cow, a symbol of what here, God, we will call it cow. So, ironically he will say that cow used to come and here scrap her body on the bark of the tree. Even that cow used to come and touch me. But what about in society? So, that is what here poet want to say. Thousands of gods sheltering inside her body would touch the tree without any hesitation. See, without any hesitation, thousands of gods will be sheltered in a body, her body, cow's body, freely used to come and touch what? Stem of tree. So, he is just asking once again, what are the things it is happening in our society? So, that is the what here question. Thousands of gods sheltering inside her body would touch the tree without any hesitation. And poet hopes that a tree hacked, chopped into pieces of dry wood will still be pure burning in the holy pray. Whatever the pujas they will be doing, this dry wood will be used for different type of pujas. There also I will be helped to purify. If I was a tree, and what the thing is happening to me as a human, and lot of difficulties he has to face. That is the what here pain in him he want to present. So, that is what here. So, as a tree, he can still become pure, or as pieces of wood, he would do a sacred job of carrying a sinless body as a bier carriage. Bier, Shevapettige, coffin, what we say. Even at last, that as a wood, as a log, stick, used to be help carrying what? Body. Whichever a person he may be, that what they has to keep that stick on their shoulder. Nobody used to ask me a question. I used to be helpful. People used to carry by 4 good men. That 4 good men will not be asked, means they will be not asking that which caste you belong. So, that is the what question here. So, throughout this poem, you will be go on asking what are the evil things is happening in society, apart from given by rights. Still it is a deeply rooted, and because of some complex network, completely it is not at all eradicating that system, and even a time is there to eradicate everything, and it may be all over the world. One or other thing will be go on facing, and even sometimes there will be a discrimination between white and black. and here caste. So that should not be there, whichever from east to west. Equality, rich, poor, white, black, upper, lower caste. So all these are the things which are evil in our society. If we eradicate, then there will be a complete equality in this what? System. So that is the thing here poet want to describe, he want to say in this what poem line by line. Still it is very difficult to eradicate, and at the same time you want to tell that tree is more freedom, gets more freedom than what he is facing. So that is the what here we can think it. So what he want to say in the last lines, he can still become pure, or as pieces of wood he would do as a sacred job of carrying a sinless body as a bier borne carry by 4 good men. And once again he can what? Purify more while carrying with what? Good man, by 4 good men. He can what? Become more pure if he was tree. So that is the what thing you want to describe. In the poem, what here we can conclude? We can conclude that the poem brings out the concepts of defilement, chastity, defilement, and purification through the imaginary of tree and the holy cow. So what the conclusion we can see means, this poem brings out a concept of defilement and purification through the imaginary of tree and the holy cow. The poem is satirical of inhuman caste system, satirical. So here you want to just tell about how inhuman in this society, that caste system making lot of actually kind, one should be kind towards another person, but it is not happening. It attempts to convey that defilement and purification are unethical, not morally acceptable, unethical and prejudiced. So that is what here defilement and purification. See, we are one. We are human beings. I am pure, you are impure, and also defile and you are purified. No. We are all one. On this earth, we have to lead our life together. So life means upside down. We have to face problems, but not here a problems which is against human to human. That should not be there. So that is the thing a poet want to say. The poem concludes stressing that if nature makes no discrimination. See here, even one step forward, we can conclude that nature will not discriminate. As a tree, I used to get equally from all sides equal right as a tree, and nature will not be discriminated. And what about we? So, that if nature makes no discrimination, nature is what? Superpower. John Keats, in one of his poems, he will say that beauty is truth, truth beauty. Beauty means what? Nature. Nature means beauty is truth. That nature is not at all discriminating what we are in front of nature. That is the question here, poet. So, that is what here John Keats, romantic poet, nature poet, in one of his ode, he will say, beauty is truth, truth beauty. Nature provides what? Truth. And here through this poem, that's what poet want to say. Nature makes no discrimination. There shall be no such practice in human society too. That practices should not be there. ಆ ಪದ್ಧತಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯೇ ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿರುವಾಗ ಆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸತ್ವ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾನವರಲ್ಲಿ, ಮನುಷ್ಯನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಂಬ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕವಿಗಳದು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇ. ದೇರ್ ಶೆಲ್ ಬಿ ನೋ ಸಚ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್, ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಇನ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಪದ್ಧತಿಗಳು ಕೆಲವಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ಆ ಪದ್ಧತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ಎಂಬುದೇ ಈ ಕವಿಗಳ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ. ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲಿ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿವಿಲೇಜಸ್. ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಸಮಾನವಾದ ಹಕ್ಕು, ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿವಿಲೇಜಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಸಮಾನವಾದ, ಸಮಾಂತರವಾದ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಜೀವರಾಶಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಮಾನವಾದ ಹಕ್ಕು ಇದೆ. ಅಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಸಲ್ಲದ ಪದ್ಧತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲಿ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಡ್ with rights and privileges, that we have to live together and get equal rights on this earth. So that is the thing here poet want to say in this poem. If I was a tree. So Chinnaswamy, in a clear cut, you want to say that how the society should be there. So that is, I think, here in my previous class, that stanzas line by line I explained, and even today that outline, additional ideas I have given to you, means my students. Once again, I request you read that poem and easily you can understand. Okay. Thank you.